Good, chilly Sunday morning, day after Halloween, daylight savings, blah, blah, blah. I'm barely awake. Had to resort to the hard stuff this morning, but we're getting out there. Let's see if there is anything to save and salvage. I'm on my own this morning, letting the kids sleep in after last night's festivities and having family over, and knowing that we have our Day of the Dead celebration this afternoon and evening. Gotta let them have a little bit of a snooze, a little bit of a rest. But I've got you guys with me, and that'll do. Let's go.
It smells bad.
All right, Frugal friends, we're trying out the GoPro on the head mount today so that I have both hands free. I guess we'll have seen just now at the Family Dollar kind of how the angle is and you know, kind of how that's working out. Please bear with me. Y'all really wanted the GoPro. We got it. We're trying it. But I figure it'll take a couple of times before we have like angles and everything just right. So I do hope you'll hang in there. We will figure it out. is this? Looks like maybe some illegal dumping. It's got stuff in it. I don't know, guys. You know, I don't like stuff like that. Stuff like that kind of makes me nervous. This is a lot of illegal dumping. There's like a cork board down there, boxes. And it's a nice little ottoman. But what's in it? Oh, okay. Okay. It's just more boxes. Hey, you never know, guys. You never know. That's a decent little ottoman, though. It's got this one little problem. We might take it, but let me get the step ladder. We can look at some of the other stuff. Again, this angle, I don't know if it's the right angle, guys. I won't know till I'm editing. Hopefully it works. I got some all-purpose Weed Warrior brightening facial mask. Cute little card. Enjoy 32. Ah, the good old days. It's a heavy box. It's got some stuff in it. I don't know what. A net. A nice cooler. We get all of our coolers this way. Some borax. We'll take borax. Wipe Light Restore. Gonna have to get a tote in a minute. For now, we'll just put everything in this cooler. They got stuff in all these boxes. Pans and I don't know. An umbrella. We'll see if it works. I want to get this box because that's actually stuff from the party store. Oh, look at that, guys. We've got some blow pops, whole bunch of ribbon, tape dispenser. Yeah, now I told you, didn't I tell you that after Halloween we would find all the Sorry, no swearing. We would find all the ribbon. And we did, but not just the like mess of ribbon, but look at this. All these whole things of ribbon, spools, that's what they're called, spools. This is a short dumpster with plenty of stuff in it, so I'm not worried about getting back out. Got one of those plastic rug things. Got stuff from the party store, but nothing good. Okay, that's good. Okay. Wish I had some tape for this borax. Could maybe use some of this. Let's see if this works. Yeah, there we go. Improvise, guys. So it was a nice little haul with the ribbon that was from the party store and then the illegal dumping. The problem with the illegal dumping is that's the kind of thing that makes them lock the dumpsters, and we don't want that. Okay, so where should we look first, Frugal friends? We got a busted open bag of sprinkles. Looks like this has been gone through. They left this nerd rope. We'll take the nerd rope. Corn dogs. We will not take the corn dogs. Let's see what's going on up here. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Holy cow. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully it's picking it up, but there's a ton of flowers over there. Tons of flowers. This is all like packing material, but we got to get over there. That's what we got to do. Just a quick moment to thank our monthly Patreon producer, Cindy Brannon, but also to very excitedly and gratefully welcome 3 new Patreon family members. We have Carnell Boosie, Karen Sloss, and Dawn Medina. Oh my goodness, thank you so much for hopping in and taking a chance on us and being so generous of your own resources to help us do this silly, wonderful thing that is our life, this thing that we do. You are a huge part of making that possible, and right now, Patreon resources are going toward, number one, gas, putting gas in the dumpster diving van so that we can get out here every Sunday, but also we are saving up for a video editing laptop so that anytime we're out of town or anywhere, we can make edited videos and not just upload clips here and there from the phone, but actually make videos with the GoPro and edit those no matter where we are. So to our existing Patreon members, to our past Patreon members, to our newest and to our future, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. If you are interested in becoming part of the Patreon family, there is a link for that in the video description. Okay. don't need more flowers right now, but where my sister-in-law is in town, see if she wants some. She does a lot of crafting and she has a big house and plenty of room. Maybe she'll want them. Okay, we're gonna start right here and just kind of get our bearings. There we go. Look at that. Holy shnikes, guys. Oh man, what? Oh yes. Thank you, dumpsters. Thank you. $80? They wanted $80 for this thing. A nice garland. See if we can get this one without tearing it up. There we go. Oh, that's amazing. That is amazing. Looks like the rest is boxes. Oh, no, there's another thing of flowers over on that side. This is nice, having the GoPro, having my hands free, not having to readjust like my camera setup. There we go. Another garland. The rest of this, it looks like it's just boxes. They're getting Christmas stuff out. Oh, that's fantastic. Okay. All right, let's put the tools away and we'll come back and grab all this. Has a problem being alone. No, there's a few problems being alone, but no one to help gather stuff up. And we got another busy day today. Look at this. Seriously. Oh, I hope the camera's picking that up. $80 for that thing right there. And let's see, 80 for that one. That's just silliness. Those are silly prices, guys. And then 25 for this garland. Oh my gosh. And then, well, and then there's the wreaths. But I wanted to show you a better look at these. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I hope that's showing up really well. 80 freaking dollars. $80 they wanted, and there's 2 of them. Look at these garlands. Aren't those gorgeous? Put different flowers on, whatever. I really don't think there's anything over here for us because it has been gone through. Yeah. Okay, but there's our nerd rope. We'll take that. Not that we need any more candy, but not gonna just let it go to waste either.